Hi friends, but today we have iBall Nirantar UPS-622 600 VA backup power supply, but with two years warranty. But and the specifications are capacity 600 VA 360 watts. But now let's unbox it. But and here are the cables. But and here is the box. But now it is turning on. But and we have some important. But and here is the manual. And here is the manual. But okay, thank you.